Good morning, everyone. My name is Aditya Raj Bangar, and I am a student of Birusung Academy, Batch 21. Today, I am going to talk about a crucial aspect of clinical research that ensure the integrity and accuracy of clinical trials. The role of clinical data manager in clinical research, fair data-driven decisions that impact human health. CDM plays a pivotal role in ensuring that the data collected is accurate, secure, and reliable. Clinical data management in CDM is an integral part of clinical research. It involves the collection, cleaning, and management of the data generated from clinical trials. Clinical data management is essential because the quality and integrity of the clinical trial data are critical to determine the safety and efficacy of new drugs, therapies, and medical devices. The role of the clinical data management is to ensure that the data is accurate, consistent, and reliable, thus supporting regulatory submission and scientific conclusions. The first major role in CDM is the collection of data. During the clinical trials, vast amount of data are generated, including patient demographics, medical histories, laboratory results, and adverse events. Data is collected through the case report forms and electronic data captured EDC system and CDM professionals ensure that the design of CRF is user friendly and comprehensive to capture all the necessary information in a structured and standardized format. By doing so, they minimize errors during data collection and ensure that all critical data points are included once the data is collected. The next important task is data validation and cleaning. This process involves identifying and correcting any inconsistencies, errors, or missing information in the dataset. This is done through a series of validation checks, including logic checks, range checks, and cross checks, to ensure the data is accurate and consistent. Data cleaning is a critical because any inaccuracies in the data can lead to flawed conclusions, potentially affecting the outcome of clinical trial. CDM team works closely with clinical researchers to resolve any discrepancies found during the validation processes. Another key role of clinical data management is to ensure data security and confidentiality in clinical trial involve sensitive information such as clinical medical records and personal medical details which must be handled with the utmost care. CDM professionals are responsible for implementing security protocols that protect the data from unauthorized access, breach, or loss. Compliance with the regulatory standards like the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act (HIPAA) and generally Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) is crucial to maintain the privacy and confidentiality of participants. CDM also plays a pivotal role in data integration and reporting once the data is validated and cleaned. It needs to be analyzed and reported to the regulatory authorities such as US FDA, Food Drug Administration in the US, or European Medicines Agency EMA. CDM professionals ensure that the data is formatted according to regulatory requirements and is ready for the submission. They also collaborate with statisticians to provide clean analyzable dataset that help in generating study reports, which ultimately guide regulatory decisions on whether a new drug or treatment should be approved. Furthermore, with the advent of the modern technology, CDM has embraced new tools like cloud-based data storage, machine learning, and artificial intelligence to streamline processes. These advancements help in managing large databases and more efficiently improving data quality and reducing time delays. Automated systems also assist in early detections of errors, inconsistencies, enhancing the overall accuracy of the clinical data trials. The conclusion is in clinical data management in clinical data manager plays a pivotal role in success of clinical trials, from collecting and validation data to ensuring security and compliance with the regulatory standards. CDM plays CDM professionals are the heart of the clinical research, ensuring the integrity and accuracy of the clinical data. As the field of clinical research continues to evolve with the new technologies and methodologies, the role of CDM will remain indispensable in driving the innovations in healthcare. Ultimately, the data managed by CDM, quality of the data managed by CDM directly impacts the safety and effectiveness of the new therapies and treatments. Thank you for listening.